Everyone, myself Smita Ghosh from Smita's Mathematica. Today we solve JEE Main Shift 1, 4th of September 2020 question. Question number 5. Let A is equal to a matrix is given here, that is cos theta, I sin theta, cos theta, where theta lies between 0 to pi by 4 and a to the power 5 is equal to a, b, c, d. Then which statement is false here? The question is in the house of matrix and it's a memory based question, and we want to know the false statement. Okay, so the given matrix A is equal to a matrix is given here, that is cos of theta, iota sin of theta, iota sin of theta, cos of theta. This matrix is given here. So we just calculate a square is equal to what? This multiplies this. So cos of theta, I sin of theta, I sin of theta, cos of theta multiplied with same matrix cos of theta, I sin theta, I sin theta, cos of theta. Multiplication rules is column with row. First row, first column. So it becomes cos square theta minus sin square theta, and it is I cos theta sin theta plus I cos theta sin theta. So it is 2I sin theta cos theta. Once again it is 2I sin theta cos theta, 2I sin theta cos of theta, and it is cos square theta I square sin square theta, that is plus I square, that is minus sin square theta. So now cos square theta minus sin square theta is equal to cos of 2 theta. It is I into 2 sin theta cos theta, means I into sin of 2 theta. It is I into sin 2 theta, and it is cos of 2 theta. Similarly, a cube is equal to a square into a. So a square is equal to cos 2 theta, I sin 2 theta, I sin 2 theta cos 2 theta into cos theta, I sin theta, I sin theta cos theta. So multiplying once again row and column, first row, first column. So it is cos 2 theta cos theta, and plus I sin 2 theta sin theta, and it is minus I square, that is minus sin 2 theta sin theta. So it become cos of 3 theta I sin 3 theta, I sin 3 theta cos of 3 theta. So look at this. A is equal to cos theta, I sin theta cos theta. A square is equal to cos 2 theta, I sin 2 theta, I sin 2 theta cos 2 theta. Similarly, A3 is, it becomes 3. Now a to the power 5. Now a to the power 5 is equal to what? It is cos of 5 theta, I sin 5 theta divide second row I sin 5 theta cos of 5 theta, and it is given here a to the power 5 is equal to a b c d. A matrix is given here, so it is also is equal to a b c d. So a b c d's value is equal to a is equal to what? So a is equal to cos 5 theta, b is equal to b is equal to I sin 5 theta, c is equal to I sin 5 theta, and d is equal to cos 5 theta. So let's check the option. Our option 1 is equal to a square minus b square is equal to half. So option 1, a square minus b square. So a square is equal to what? Cos square 5 theta, and b square is equal to what? Minus I square sin square 5 theta. So it is sin square 5 theta, and we know I square, so it is plus, it become plus cos square 5 theta plus I square 5 theta, and we know it is equal to 1. But the option given a square minus b square is equal to half, so it is a false option. So we reached question asks which statement is false. So option 1 is the false choice. When we similarly calculate a square plus b square is also it is cos square 5 theta minus sin square 5 theta. So it become cos of minus cos 10 theta, and as the theta's value is lies between 0 to pi by 2, so a square plus b square always belongs to 0 to 1, and all options are correct, and our false statement is a square minus b square is equal to half. So here is the whole solution. Any question, any query, you should just comment me in the comment box. Thanks for watching my video. That's all.